Hello, dear visitors from outer space, welcome to planet Earth. I am your new friend, Curious Simon. I will help you get to know our beautiful planet Earth. Please log in using your alien account.
So here, each student will have their own personal account that then to log in.
Good try. Now, let's find out more about plants.
So here, students will have passage 1 for them to pre-reading what they're going to do for their next text. Then students move on to this part, multimodality, and sets into 3 parts. First starts with visual, then oral, then linguistic. And now let's focus on visual part. So here have the contextual realia for them to enter. So here starts with the vocabularies. I designed 8 pictures with the matched images and match with the vocabulary words for students to learn. So students through the matching pictures with the words to practice and press the finish button. Then they will have the task. So the questions will be here and the 3 images for them to match the correct answers. So first is sapling. So students need to choose the matched pictures suit for sapling. And if they got wrong answer, it will have try again sign for them to that then redesign their answers. So just follow this instruction to finish the task. Then press the finish button. We'll move on to the sentence structure. So here, how did the students practice? They need to reconstruct the sentence forms, and the keywords will be adjusted to the picture. So if they finish, they will show the well done sign. Then move on to the next questions. Then press finish to move on. Then here is the text part. So I set into 3 paragraphs for students to practice. Each paragraph will have the matching pictures for them to understand what's going on in this paragraph. So answer this first one, then move on to next one. Also have 3 parts. Have the matching pictures. Then when students understand what's going on in the text and understand the meaning. Last one is the read aloud section. Students need to press the record button here to record their voice and to know their read aloud and reading fluency. So students start from first paragraph. Plants grow and change just like us and animals. Plants are made out of many different parts each of them has a role to play in helping the plant to survive and grow. Then students finish the paragraph, they press the stop button. Then they can press the play button to check their reading fluency. Then they may record again, just press the again button. Here also has the same pattern. And press the finish button to move on.
Good job.
Here,
You have finished all the tasks in passage 1. Now, let's move on to passage 2.
we will have the passage 2, and it's the same pattern as passage 1. So here has the same picture. Pattern and the task for students to practice. Also, at the end of the vocabulary parts, here comes the sentence structure. Student need to reconstruct the sentence, and here, if student got mistakes, they can press this delete to restart their answer. And when I design this part, I think without the capital letters on the first words would be great for students, because they may have hints for when they need to choose in these sentence patterns. Then the text part. Also have the matched pictures for the matched paragraph. And then here has the extra mechanisms. So this is called spaced repetition. Why we have these functions? Because when students make mistakes about one of the vocabularies, students through these spaced repetition mechanisms to have another chances or text for them to practice.
Plants have special features or adaptations that help them live in their habitats. For example, some plants change with the seasons.
So students know the keywords, it's habitat, right? And they have the matched pictures with what's going on about the habitat and the meaning of it. And then press the sound button to have this sentence understanding. And also this keyword is about adaptation. And on the right side, we'll have the matched pictures for students to recognize. Then it's algae. So after the examples, we will have some tasks for students to practice. And we need to drag our answers into the sentence. So students need to base on the picture and the sentence structure and the meaning in the text to choose the right answer. And this part without the picture, students need to focus on the comprehension text. They need to understand the meaning in the paragraph.
Great work. You are amazing. You must have become more knowledgeable about plants now. Let's see if you have learned all the facts about plants. Would you like to know how well you did?
So at the end of the task, it will have the post-test for them to check their comprehension about first vocabulary, then move on to the reading comprehension part. And last one is the reading aloud. So the student also need to record their voices. And last one is the scoreboard. Students may know their personal scores and knowing their misunderstanding or the correctness about the task.
Congratulations! You have exchanged a lot of seeds from Earth. Now you can take these seeds home and grow them on your home planet. Have fun planting, and I hope to see you again soon.
And then at the end of the part, it will have the slogan for students to practice what's going on about this task. So this one is for typing. Students need to type the word in the frame. So overall, that's the whole procedure about the ACSRP, this platform. Thank you.